So let's bring it up here first.
Oh,
Yeah. So the bottom door.
You have to hold it down.
Yeah, so you have to hold it down, but that one down there, whenever it sits, that door sort of pops open so the latch doesn't sit flush.
Yeah, it's got an interlock.
So you just kind of have to keep the door held down there in order for it to go back up from there. So, and I'll just bring it up here. Y'all feel free to run it up and down however many times you want to, but this one you'll see is pretty bare bones.
I think this was installed in the 90s. I'll have to look it up.
It looks very 90s-ish.
Oh yeah, wait until you see the inside.
You have to look on the records.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so if y'all want to ride the inside, whichever way, but y'all have a switch on the inside, so y'all feel free, and you know where the cabana hallway is. Just know to get back out. The front doors just follow the main hallway up until you see the lobby.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, go ahead and close the store. You take care, sir.
You too.
I'll see you back in the lobby.
Pretty cool looking shaft.
I'll close this up.
I haven't filmed one of these in forever. Whoa.
All right, you want us to take it down, or you want me to take it down?
I'll take it down.
I think I might film this one as well.
Yeah, this is really cool.
You can go ahead and take this back up, and I'll start my video from the outside.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna take it back up now.
Let me get out of the way, because...
Okay.
Let me switch side. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
You want to wait inside and I'll start my video from the outside?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna get off at 1 afterwards.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay.
You can come up the stairs.
Okay. Wow, this is a really cool little wheelchair lift.
Alright, here we come to the wheelchair lift elevator at the Hilton Hotel in College Station, Texas. Talk over the music. Look what's inside.
Hi!
It's Hanny.
Yeah, you can operate the elevator.
Sure, and you want to get off at...
Yeah, I'm gonna get off because I already took a video earlier.
Alright, here we go. We're going down. Installed in the 1990s. The staff here is friendly, isn't it?
They're very friendly here.
We got to ride the service elevators.
I know.
Level.
Okay, I'm gonna get off here and have fun.
Alright, you can come back up on the stairs.
Okay.